The journey and the surprise arrival. Edda Smáð is excited. She has never before traveled so far from home. This is the elf cliff into which I was enchanted during my nightmare, all because of Sámur's thy Pappis terrible singing. Edda Smáð laughing. I never heard Pappi sing. The order lucky. Edda Smáð laughs. But I do not want to meet that Abalabalau girl again. She threatened to suck out all my blood. Edda Smáð laughing. That was a bit horrible, a nightmare. At last, the ponies get them to Erknvík. They knew all the time where they were heading. Edda Smáð sees the ocean for the first time. Breathtaking view from the mountains over the whole Erknvík. Not even Högni has seen the vík from here. They see that there are activities on both farms, typical spring work. Sigdrífa and Hugmóður are together on a boat on the vík, Erknvík, obviously shunning all bans and brawling. Dogs start barking in Erknvík and Askur barks back. Erknvíkingar look towards the mountains, still some snow there in the mountain slopes. Seen from afar in the mountain creek, riders approaching. Can this be? Can they believe their eyes? Can this be Högni returning to Erknvík, riding one horse, two more on reins, one on each side, and another bairn riding together with him? Who would that be? Hugmóður and Sigdrífa see the riders. They would have expected someone approaching the shore, arriving from the seaside, but they come from the highlands. Hugmóður and Sigdrífa hastily row towards the shore, pull up their boat, and go towards Högni and the dark-haired girl. Högni, this is Edda Smáð. We will be going all over Iceland to collect olden books, knowledge, and statues containing the wisdom of heathenry before the theocracy takes over and burns the whole lot at a stake. And we shall tell all men the purpose of human lifespans, what for we are born and live. Will you join us in the great task at hand? And we shall teach you to take a trip to Ásgarður on Sleipnir. Long, awkward silence. Sigdrífa whispers to Hugmóður, is Högni bewitched? Is she under a spell?